Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel is Gheta, and I'm going to discuss now on polynomial chapter. So let's have an introduction on that. First of all, what is polynomial? What is polynomial? See, polynomial means an expression which is which is composed of, which have constant variables and exponents combined using addition, subtraction. So this is polynomial. So like an expression which have constant like number or along with variable and exponent, they are combined using addition, subtraction. So those are called polynomial. Just example like 2x square plus 3x plus 5. These are any example. Even 3x plus 5 is an example. Even just if I write a number, so it is also a polynomial. Okay. So next is degree of a polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? Do you know? See, degree of polynomial means highest power of an variable. Highest power of a variable in an expression. For example, like 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is it. Okay. So what is the degree of this? What is the degree of this? What is the highest power? We need to look. Highest power is 2. So what is the degree? Degree is 2, like that. If I take another example like 3x plus 10, then you can see what is the degree is 1, because it is having, there is no number. So like it is considered to be what? 1. Okay, there it is 1. So this is the degree. If just the number is a thing like 100. So what is the degree of this? If there is no variable, then degree is 0. Obviously like 100 x power 0. So anything power of 0 is 1. So it is 100. Correct. So what is the degree of this? It is 0. Understood. So now we have a various type of polynomial. Like we have a 0 polynomial types. Like types of polynomial. Types of polynomial based on the degree. Based on degree, types of polynomial. Like we have a 0 polynomial. Why it is called 0 polynomial? Because the degree is 0. It is also called constant polynomial also. Then we have a linear polynomial. Why it is called linear? Degree of this is 1. Then we have quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What is the degree of quadratic polynomial? 2. Then if I go to fourth one, we have a cubic polynomial. Why it is called cubic polynomial? Because the degree of this cubic polynomial is 3. Okay, this much is there in the 10th standard, but even if any equation is having degree 4, it is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay, biquadratic polynomial. Right. Now if we go for the first exercise, if we go to the first exercise of polynomial, that that is too simple, I think. Yeah. So in that first exercise, they are telling it to find number of zeros. What they are telling it to find? Number of zeros. Once again, right, see. They are telling in the first exercise, first mean that they have given certain graphs and they are telling us to find what? Number of zeros. Alright, okay. So, if I discuss on that first exercise, find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros. The graphs are given. We need to find the number of zeros. Okay, find the number of zeros. The first main, first exercise, find the number of zeros for of y is equal to p of x. So like they have given certain graphs. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. We need to look that how many times that graph intersect the x-axis. Like first one they gave like this. So you can see it does not intersect x-axis, so number of zeros is equal to 0 because it does not intersect x-axis, it is intersecting y-axis. Second question is like this they have given. You can see that this intersect the x-axis at one point, so number of zeros are 1. Okay, number of zeros are 1. Third question, it is like this. Third question they gave like this. Yeah. Okay. Somewhat rough diagram I am doing it. Somewhat like it. So it is, you can see how many times it intersect x-axis? 3 times. So number of zeros is equal to how much? 3. So like that you can see, you can find out how many times it intersect if it is given like this. Like it is intersecting 2 times, so number of zeros are 2. See, if it is having number of zeros 2, it is called quadratic. If it is having number of zeros are 3, then it is called what? Cubic. If it is having number of zeros are 1, then it is called as what? Linear polynomial. So like we can even give rest question. I think those are easy. I think you can try. We will in next video we will go to second exercise. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.